Obadiah. It's not just a story of judgment against Edom, a nation rival to Israel, but a universal tale. Edom's pride and subsequent downfall serve as a mirror, reflecting the fate of all who elevate themselves. This story transcends time, speaking to the heart of humanity's condition. The tale begins with Edom, a nation sharing blood with Israel through their ancestors, Jacob and Esau. Yet this familial bond did not prevent strife. Edom's leaders, cloaked in arrogance, believed their lofty dwellings made them untouchable. But Obadiah's prophecies reveal a different fate. Their hubris, which led them to betray Israel during its darkest hour, would be their undoing. As they reveled in Israel's fall, so too would they plummet from their heights. Yet Obadiah's vision expands beyond Edom. The narrative pivots, speaking of a day when all nations will face divine scrutiny. This day of the Lord is not exclusive to Edom, but encompasses every nation that mirrors Edom's pride. The wordplay between Edom and Adam in Hebrew is telling. It suggests that Edom's story is humanity's story, a cautionary tale of pride before an inevitable fall. Despite the grim forecast of judgment, a glimmer of hope persists. Obadiah, like the prophets Joel and Amos before him, speaks of a future where God's kingdom is restored. A new Jerusalem will rise, a city repopulated by the faithful. This kingdom will not be confined but will stretch to include Edom and all nations. It's a promise of redemption and peace, a kingdom where the faithful, regardless of their origin, find refuge. Obadiah, though brief, is a mosaic of justice and mercy. It portrays the human condition through Edom's ancient pride and betrayal. Yet it also offers a vision of hope. The downfall of Edom is not the end, but a signpost to a future where evil is addressed and God's kingdom of peace prevails. This is the essence of Obadiah's message, a timeless reminder that from the ashes of judgment, the seeds of a new world can grow.